Hey everyone, my name is Katie, and today we're going to go over our close and archive job for our bookkeeping pipeline. As I said, this is going to be part of our bookkeeping pipeline, and you can use it as part of your pipeline, or you can get ours from the marketplace. And the first thing we're going to want to do, if we're using this separately from our marketplace pipeline, is click Get for Free. And then you're going to go into From Templates to review the task. You go to From Templates, Task, and then we're going to find that task and open it to review it. It's going to give you a description. It's going to assign it to the role of admin. It's showing that it starts in 0 days, which means it's starting today and it's due in 3 days. You want to use this task at the end of your pipeline. This is to let you know that you want to close out everything in the task if the job has been finished and that you want to archive the job. We're going to go click Save and Exit so that we can assign this as a one-off task to show you what it looks like. So to assign a one-off task, we're going to click New, Task. I'm going to go to assign it to my test account under my name. And then I'm going to select my template. And it's going to add everything into this task for me. Here you can see that it's assigned to the admin role. It has the description. And then it has a start date and the due date as it was in the template. We're going to go ahead and click Create, and this is going to show that it is assigned to my client. Here you can see the name of the template, the due date, and that it is who it is assigned to. Then we go ahead and click on this. It's going to show us the full task. And once we have completed everything that part of this task, we're going to go ahead and click on the status, and then completed, and save, and this will close it out from being part of the task list on our client. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.